Alright, hello everybody, this is Charles the Intern back again from therocketnerd.com for another tutorial video. Please, I say it every time, but please watch this in full screen, 1080p, that way you'll see everything, it'll be clear, otherwise it might be kind of confusing what's going on, everything like that. Please use either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome as your web browser. Internet Explorer sometimes doesn't look the same and it might just kind of get confusing. It should work on Internet Explorer, don't get me wrong, just try to use one of those, it seems to work better. In this video, we're going to be going over how to add extra users to your site so that they can log in and edit things. So, let's get started. What we're going to do is go in and log in, which we're going to do directly this time. There we go. So, type in your username and password. So as you can see, you can go in here and it's your dashboard. You've seen it every video. So what we're going to want to do is go onto the left side and go to users. So let's just click on users for right now. And as you can see, it'll bring up a list of the users that we have right now. So right now there's just RN user, which is my user. And he's an administrator. Your default one, your role will be an administrator. So let's click add new. So what they need is a username. So let's do Charles. We need a email address. So let's do charles@rocketnerd.com. First name, Charles. Last name, the intern. Alright, so there's also a website. Also, first name, last name are optional. You don't need them. Finally, we need just a password. So let's just type in whatever. I don't care that it's very weak. I do care that it mismatches though. There we go. I will send this user or this password to the new user by email, and then we do want to select a role for this person. So there's subscriber, which they can't really do much. Contributor, they can do a little bit more, so they can add posts, things like that. But unless you get really big into posts, which again we don't go over a lot in this, like on our sites. If you want to, you can read the WordPress Codex about contributors and posts. Like if you wanted to get a blog going, something like that, that would be really good. There's author, which means that they can author their own pages, but they can't edit pages that we're already on. Editor is obviously the opposite. You can edit and make your own pages. And finally, administrator. Administrator has rights to do everything. They can add new users, update things, everything like that. We'll just make this guy an administrator, but please read more about the roles on the WordPress Codex if you want to know exactly what each person should be. I'm just going to click add new user. Ooh, it has to be at least strong. Alright, let's do a different password here. There we go. I don't even remember what I typed. Can I just control copy paste? No, I can't. Alright, let's do make me a password.net. Make me a password. That's what I typed. I need numbers, allow spaces, give me symbols. Alright, let's just copy paste that in there. If you guys ever are looking for a very strong password, makemeapassword.net is a great tool. You could also use dobsondev.com/portfolio/password generator. I know that's not as memorable, but he has a very good password generator on there. Alright, and let's send add new user. And there we go. As you can see, I've made a user for myself, Charles the Intern. I am an administrator. Now, whenever I want, I could log in using that password, using Charles as my username, and I'd be good to go. Just to demonstrate that, I'll go here, hit log out, and I will do Charles, and I still have my password copy pasted. I can just enter in, and there you have it. It's that simple. Sorry for the little bit of the confusion with the password there, guys, but do you know what? Make me a password or dobsondev.com/portfolio/password generator. Probably not the worst thing to know about. If you ever need a strong password, I highly recommend them. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to go over posts. So like I said, posts can be used to make a blog, but in our case, posts are how you actually edit the slideshow on the site. So that's what we're going to be going over in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, again, you're learning lots about WordPress. You're thinking it's the best CMS available, and I'll see you in the next video.